If you want to connect your OPPO Reno 15 to your computer, then we have two main ways to do so. We can do this with the USB cable, and we can do this wirelessly. So first, let me show you the USB cable method. In this case, we just have to connect the OPPO Reno 15 to our computer with the USB cable, and at first we're gonna start charging, but we're gonna go to notifications, and then in here we can find charging this device via USB. We can extend the notification and tap on it in order to change that, and we can switch from charging only to file transfer / Android Auto. There we go. Now, if you go to your computer, you should be able to find OPPO Reno 15, and we have the whole storage. We have all the folders with all files that you have on your phone, so you can easily transfer files from your phone to computer or the other way around. Now, in case you want to do this wirelessly, then first of all, let me actually disconnect the phone. There we go. We can use the OPPO Connect app. So on our phone, we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings, we can find device connect. There we go. And then in here, we can choose PC. Now here we have the instructions to install the OPPO Connect app. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the browser, open the browser and go to connect.oppo.com. And over here, we should be able to download the app for Windows or for Mac OS. And then once you get the app and once you open it, ideally you want to use an OPPO account, the same one that you use on your phone. So if you use OPPO account on your phone, then you can sign into the same account in order to easily connect both devices together. However, if you don't have that option, if you don't use an account, then you can also connect manually. If you click over here, you can generate this QR code, which you can scan on your phone. So on your phone, you want to tap on this QR code scanner here in the upper right corner if you want to scan that QR code. And in case you want to connect wirelessly, then you can tap on Add New Device over here, and you should be able to find your computer on this list. And there we go. Once we connect, then we should be able to find the files option here or on the left side. And now you can find pretty much everything that you have on your phone, which you can easily transfer if you want to. You can open it quite easily. Of course, we need to turn on and grant all the necessary permissions if you want to do so. But over here we have the import files option. Over here we can save selected files to PC, copy them, move them, and so on and so forth. Here on the left side we have all of these different categories, and that can be quite helpful with locating your files. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.